Alright, so we got a crazy bundle right here we're about to unbox. This is of 2 OG 2017 X Revenge pieces, as well as 3 Bad Vibes Forever pieces. Let's get to the unboxing, ladies and gentlemen. I got an incredible steal on this price, with this price point. Very, very, very happy with the deal I was able to work out with the gentleman that sold me this. Shouts out to that guy. I think his name was like just joshing around on Instagram. Here we go. Everything's been cut besides this one piece. Oh, there we go. Started off, we got ourselves the double Ziploc bag, Bad Vibes Forever, Volume 2 denim jacket. That one, super awesome. We're gonna get to the real heat in just a moment. Then we got ourselves the black Bad hoodie from the Volume 1 drop of Bad Vibes Forever. And then you can't probably tell, yeah, but this one is the puff print, like cat Bad Vibes Forever. Now to the main attraction. The freaking maroon outline, double red kill hoodie, basically. Outline red kill, and then the holy grail along with it, the large. All right, so the camera cut off, but I unboxed the Bred just now. It's in very good shape for the age that it's in. It's got, you know, the OG sleeve text, the original with the size tag. This is the first Bred kill that they made, and it's on independent blank. So happy about that. Love the metal eyelids. And then the kind of the back, it's cracked, but hey, it's in great condition. There's no like missing puff, like taken off of the hand itself. So I'm very, very happy with this. Got it for an insane price, super good price. And then gotta take out this one. The other ones, they don't need to be taken out. You already probably know what those are. These, oh, this one right here. This is the one too. Oh yeah. Let's go. The maroon kill hoodie. Very nice. Very nice. And then
I love that tag, that red tag.
Oh yeah, we're gonna show that in just a moment's notice. Then we got ourselves the red hand. To match our other red hand. Very nice condition. Better condition than the Bred. Both incredibly priced. Super freaking happy with the price. And then we got ourselves a nice little XL tag. Very nice, very old. And then I'll just do these real quick. Main traction right here.
Oh.
The puff. Pretty good quality. Pretty cracked, but still in good condition. You got Bad Vibes on the side. Overall, very nice. I'm gonna check out this denim real quick. Large. Got Bad Vibes right here. Got I Hate Love right here. And then on the back is the main attraction. The Chanel patch. Good, very good condition. Again, all freaking insane pricing. Got everything for pretty much retail and below retail. Keep it on, to be honest. And this one I'm really hyped about. The back, the black Bad hoodie with this guy on the back. Yes, sir. All right, and everything is large besides the maroon, which is an extra large. And then yeah, thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. This has been Bad Vibes Forever. Signing out.